The next DIY and growth of a website objective is to keep your website expandable, which essentially means that if you're starting up with a website, you should choose a platform which is expandable. The platform should be capable of growing by just adding modules and segments and sections. It should be easily editable, maybe using the drag and drop method. If you can do that, if you can identify that platform right up front, your troubles in building a website may just get over. Ideally, most of the CMS platforms provide two different kind of segments. One is for the visual presence of the website, like in WordPress, this is called themes. And then the second for adding more and more functionality. In WordPress, this is called plugins. In fact, other platforms also call these plugins. So you can grow your website as your need grows. Hope you liked this. Have a good day.